Lena Scalp Expert Advisor version 3.2 for MT4 unlimited free download. First, I'll share the original product that is available on the market for nearly $1,200. But before you purchase and leverage this EA into your real trade, I want you to know these things. So first, I will share the test results of this Expert Advisor. So by the test result, you can see how it actually works. Just by looking at the graph section, I can say this EA is not worth it. But I'll give you some more results and let's see if this is the developer here. The recent version is 3.2 and it's been updated recently on February 27th. There's already 10 activations here. So right now I am trading this EA in one of my VPS $1,000 live accounts and here you will see the result. So this is our EA and you can see it has placed a lot of trades here and this is how its user interface looks like. We tested this Expert Advisor for more than 1 week and on XAU USD gold against US dollar pair with M1 time frame. So here is the account history and you will see I placed this Expert Advisor on this account on 11th of April and it started buying from 14th of April. With one lot it has started trading. All the way through here it has maintained the same lot size and the last trade was taken on the 17th of April, that is today, and we are having a profit amount of $19.90. Now this performance I wasn't expecting. Let me show you now the profit section. So first one is $100 of profit with one lot. The second one is losing trade of $12.70. Again, we got one TP. So this EA is using a fixed TP and SL for every single trade. Now that's a good thing. But what happens next is it loses another $100 by this trade. You can see right here it is. So I am never recommending this EA, but if you still want to give it a try, you can try these settings that I am using. Otherwise, you can do one thing, just customize your settings according to your preferences and needs. So I am really not happy with the performance of this Expert Advisor. However, you can try this EA with your accounts on different settings. I would recommend not using this EA, but if you really want to try it in a demo account first, then only on a small real account. Here is our Expert Advisor with identical performance I have just shown you, and just go to our official website mql5.software. Here you will get this product. You don't have to spend a lot of money for a losing Expert Advisor like this. It's not a worthy investment. Otherwise, you can do one thing, just join our official Telegram group, Your Forex Premium, and here is our product. We will send you the file in your personal chat. And we have launched our new broker, that is Flexi Market. For the links, I am here with the links. Just contact here. The official admin section is Your Forex Asia, and right here is the joining link of our official Telegram group, Your Forex Premium, that I have given in the description section. So join our channel for more such profitable Expert Advisors for free, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such Expert Advisor and indicators honest review videos. Thank you so much. Visit again.
Additionally, we can crack or unlock any Expert Advisor that you provide us via our official website yourforex.net or our official Telegram group @YourForexAsia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.